I gotta take this off quick. I have a new cleaning lady coming to check out my house. She's literally 2 minutes away. She's just coming to check out the house today and give me a quote on like how much it would cost. Just cause I am not a clean and tidy person. I know, shocker. So I think a little bit of help would be good for me. Just like mopping the floors and stuff. I have to answer the door with this on my face. She's literally gonna quote me $1,000. There is not a dollar amount on earth that she would probably clean my house for if I look like this. I am like really struggling to get this off. Oh God. Neck reveal. Turn that frown upside down, mamas. Look, there's like an indent where the smile was. I already say that I was a noob from Roblox. If you don't know, now you know. Wipe that away. This is why I don't have a boyfriend. Ow. I look like I just came out the womb. My eyelashes are kind of cool. I'm gonna go wash my face and probably cry. Take off my makeup with me, scary toothy person edition. Guys, I literally made this entire thing by myself and I'm really proud of it. First, we gotta get rid of these contacts. Oh my gosh. I can see again. Okay, I guess let's start with my little head scar. Let's try and get some of these teeth out. Oh my gosh. He's getting a lot of money from the tooth fairy. Let's see if I can get any of this off. Ow! Now I just look like I have a bloody mustache. Okay, you can do this, you can do this. Ow. I don't think this glue is ever coming off my face, so I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. I love how this one turned out, and it high-key makes me want to dye my hair red. Snatch. Let's get these bad boys. Oh. Get the lashes. Now this should be fun. Oh, girl, she's not budging. Ow. No way, it stayed in one piece. The neck is always the most painful. Ow! Selling this on my Etsy. Get the pearls. Why does it look like that? The other side. Going in with some Neutrogena makeup wipes. And we just hope for the best. I don't know if my eyebrows are ever coming back. Thanks for watching. The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, ice emoji edition. I have not said that in a long time. This wig is literally so itchy. I'm gonna take this scarf off. I really like these white eyelashes. Ow. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt. Ow. This one is literally up my nose. Oh. I also made these blisters with latex. Ow. Now I'm gonna start wiping. Now the contacts. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow. Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, ice emoji edition. I have not said that in a long time. This wig is literally so itchy. I'm gonna take this scarf off. I really like these white eyelashes. Ow. Okay, this is probably gonna hurt. Ow. This one is literally up my nose. Ooh. I also made these blisters with latex. Ow. Now I'm gonna start wiping. Now the contacts. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Rainbow Special Effects Edition. Let's see. Gotta get the forehead. Cute! I'm gonna take some makeup melt. And we're gonna rub that in. Now I'm taking my makeup towel. Thanks for watching. Get unready with me, Ice Miser, Heat Miser edition. First, I gotta get rid of these contacts. Now I'm taking off the lashes. I painted this one white myself because I didn't know if you're supposed to buy them white or if you can paint them, so I just painted it. I don't exactly know how the best way to do this is, so I'm just gonna go in. I'm literally gray. Why? Why is this happening to me? I don't know how I'm gonna get this paint off my ears, and I put literally acrylic paint in my hair. I don't think that's safe. If this isn't commitment to good quality, I don't know what is. 1 like equals 1 prayer. I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Handsome Squidward edition. All right, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah, part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some Spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, Baby Yoda edition. Let's get this stuff off. Oh my gosh. Let me take these contacts out. Let's get this bald cap off. This is a look right here. Oh wow. Let's try and wipe it off. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Zombie Minion edition. Okay, I genuinely don't think anybody has done this before. This blood under my eyes is so sticky. Oh god. If this isn't commitment to good content, I don't know what is. It's kind of coming off. My ears are stained yellow, but I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me. Let's get these contacts out. Let's get these lashes off. This is bad. Oh no. I'm gonna try to get the CD. The neck is always the worst part. Now I'm gonna rub some of this in. I'm gonna go shower. It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary puppet doll edition. Gotta get rid of these contacts because oh wow, I literally can't see. Okay, I'm so over these pigtails. Gotta get these fat lashes. Here we go. Oof. Gotta get the other side. The other side, the other side, the other side of me. Oof. The lips. Alright guys, it's all off and my skin is looking flawless underneath, so I'm gonna go. But thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me. Let me take this wig off. I literally have sprinkles all over my floor. I don't really know the best way to do this. These are gonna be everywhere. This is not gonna be fun to clean up. Let's get the other side. Ow, why does that kind of hurt? They're stuck in my eyebrow. Get these fat lashes. Ow. Let's see if I can get this paint off of me. There's a lot going on with this eyebrow right now. Oh. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, scary pumpkin edition. Let's take off the cloak. This is a massive contact. Oh, I made these drips out of latex. Oh. Ah. Ow. Cute. Let's get the one eyelash. I'm gonna try this Good Molecules cleansing balm. I'm gonna need a lot. I guess we just rub it in. What do I do? Hi. Now I'm just gonna wipe that off. There is black paint so far up my nostrils. Get the neck. It's actually kind of coming off. Yeah, I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, double edition. Take off these horns, gloves. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. Get these gems. Ow. Take off the choker. It's giving very much Red Dude from Inside Out. I really like these lashes. Ow. Now we're going in with some cleansing balm. This is definitely gonna stain my face. There's a lot going on here. Now we wipe. My forehead looks like a coaster. Get the contacts out. And I think that's the best I can do, so I'm gonna go shower.